Who said that Black history is really American history? That person was Morgan Freeman. Who changed the title of Negro History Week to Black History Month? That was President Gerald Ford. Who was the best pianist from New Orleans? And that was James Booker. What woman was a famous civil rights activist? And that person's name is Josephine Baker. Who is a famous jazz musician? And their name is Billie Holiday. Who was named the King of Blues? And that was B.B. King. Who gave the famous speech called I Have a Dream? And that was Martin Luther King Jr. Who was the 44th President of the United States? And that was President Barack Obama. Who is the famous African American woman to work as Secretary of State? And that was Dr. Condoleezza Rice. Who is the person who just joined the United States Supreme Court? And that was Justice Clarence Thomas. Claudette Colvin was influenced by two people. And who are those two people? The first was Harriet Tubman. And the second was Sojourner Truth. Who is a very big abolitionist whose birthday is in February? That's Frederick Douglass. Who worked really, really hard to get Black history to be a part of a curriculum at schools? That was Carter Woodardson.